Elevator looks so shady and cool. We're going to the 3rd floor right now. We'll go see what the room looks like. Oh gosh, architecture looks so nice here with the elevator. What kind of contrast is this? It's so cool, man.
So why is Taiwan a role model for pandemic management? One crucial factor is this 14-day quarantine period. This is because COVID-19 has an average of 14 days of incubation period. Before symptoms show up, can even spread during this incubation period. So here is the first day of me staying in this quarantine hotel room to prevent the virus from spreading.
Before we all eat and stuff, let's get all that paperwork done. At this quarantine section, I haven't get so excited for quarantine holiday ever. And I can see myself vlogging right here in the back. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of me. Let's get the paperwork done and then we'll do a little room tour. So yay! Welcome to the room that I will spend my next 14 days in. Before I make this room messy after unpacking everything, we're gonna do a room tour because, you know, after this time, we will never ever get this room this clean again because the cleaning people are not supposed to come in during this 2 weeks. And I am so tired. My brain is legitly not working because I've been doodling around and trying to segue into my new quarantine life for Taiwan. You know, for the aesthetics of the bed, I'm not gonna lean on this, and my shirt is still really dirty. This is what I'm wearing from the airport to here, so we're gonna try to do the room tour like this, like they're floating in mid-air, you know.
This room is so cool. When I get up in the morning, I don't need to get out of bed to turn on the light. It is such a godsend. Same with those curtains, they're even automatic.
Okay, about to fall. This is the bed, as you guys see. There's nothing special here, so we're gonna go to the next location. So this place is some sofa, chilling couch area, and this TV is so cool. You can pull it out, like face your bed, or you can turn it 90 degrees and face the other side. So this is the little living room area for some posing. I might take some self-timer photo shoots here and make some fun videos. This background is so perfect for filming. So this is the sofa, as you guys see. You know, this is a nice place for sexy photo posing like this. I should wear my bikini and pose in here, you know. This white sofa is so comfy with the feel of the leather.
Under the TV screen, we got some famous Taiwanese pineapple cake. In addition, an alcohol spray to clean the room surfaces when I'm in quarantine.
So this is up with the living room area. Let's move on. So this is the little bar area that we're all waiting for, besides this couch area. How can you have a couch area without a bar? But sadly I don't drink as all those things usually do because I want to earn more extra money with the wine, with the coffee, and some grape wine, some Taiwan beer and stuff. And I'm a person who don't drink alcohol. And if I took a look inside here, the aesthetics is also preserved inside, even in the fridge. That is very well accomplished. I don't know why I'm so excited even filming in the toilet. So here is the toilet. My face is like glowing. I feel like I'm an angel because of the light above here. Sorry for the bad lighting, but this is the toilet filled with tons of mirrors. That is the toilet side. That is the shower side.
And yes, this is the shower room indeed. We're not gonna miss out any bit of this room because I am a super detail-oriented person and pattern matching learned too. White marble patterns and silver are the best match that never goes wrong in interior design.
And then the switches on the glasses are also so cool. Like this room design, the architecture is just white and silver and marble floors. It is so clean and minimalistic. This is not a style that I will find in my house, but it's a classic style for hotels, I would say. This is my all-time favorite aesthetic that I'm trying to strive for, but you know, normally in real life it's just a mess and then I can't really get it. This is how we enjoy quarantine with this minimalistic lifestyle. We all love a good mirror selfie in here. There's so many mirrors in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mirrors plus another mirror on the other side. I'll just be bonding with myself. Bonding and washing my hands and feeling and really upgrading that self-love routine. And there's tons of water on the side for me to drink because I can't go outside technically. Dude, there's so many mirrors in this toilet. Yes, I forgot to tour the toilet. Why would anyone do room tours without a toilet? And the toilet's just as you do, it's just where you pee and poo. I don't really care about it, but there's so many freaking mirrors in there. Why would I need to look at myself when I sit on the toilet? Maybe I'm that narcissistic to enjoy myself, my company. Look at this, there's so many reflections of me. It's like tens and thousands of me. This is way too much. I can see myself and train some self-love activity. So this is the toilet. As you guys see right here. Look at this, people. Look at this. Look at how cool this mirror is. It's freaking pink. So this is the mirror as you see. I don't know what's the point of this mirror, but it looks kind of like spacious, fantasy, weird, style-ish thing. And here you can see the desk on the side where I'll work for the next 2 days. No, next 2 weeks. I'm starting to have a quarantine vacation. There, you know, in quarantine we still got to work, right? It's not just holiday. So here is my desk for the next 2 weeks that I'm talking about for the reflection of the mirror. It's so cool that they put this table behind the stand thing. What's this called? The head of the bed something? I don't know what's it called in Chinese or English. Just the backboard of the bed. The white wooden desk and this speaker right here from JBL. This light is so cool. This is touchable. White minimalistic style also continues to here because, you know, we gotta stay focused doing quarantine and work. And then I really like this golden, no, silver. I can't even differentiate my color now. And you know, it's 12:30 now. My mind is not really working from today's really chaotic event of flight getting cancelled and watching TV with my mom and spending another 5 extra hours with mom at home. This is such a comfy place of my heart that I can never take away. Because today in the morning I was like crying when I left the house, but now I'm a lot more happier because of stuff that happened. So sometimes tragic things turn into happy things and happy things turn into sad things. So there's a balance that we need to establish. So this part is the wardrobe part. Well, I don't think it's that special, but I really like the middle designs on this bottom part. Shelf thingy. What's in here? Oh, the safe box is in there. Okay, that just as normal. A safety box for your like documents and things. So now up to this area. I don't know what's this table for, but it's probably gonna be my chilling eating place. So let's see what's on the menu for the food. Where's that menu? It's somewhere in here. The food menu is so good. There's so much food. We got some salted egg porridge thing. It's all in Chinese. My translation skills so bad. What day is it today? Today's Friday, so I think today we have some beef thing in here. So let's eat and chat at the same time, you know? So the quarantine schedule goes like this. Every single day, they will call me for getting my temperature at 10 and 4, and I have to respond to them with the phone because they might think that I'm running out because I didn't answer to their phone and pick my food for next following day. I feel like I'm gonna get so fat after this quarantine because the food's way too nice here, even after quarantine. So we have to work out during quarantine, and we got a lot of space in here to work out, so it's fine.
And guess what? Those 14 days turned out to be really productive. I produced 3 videos and of course an excessive amount of food feeding sessions without gaining weight because I've worked out with ApartmentROOM to burn those calories. Tons of binge watching Korean TV shows and learn a bit of Korean. Self-reflection and introspection on what I did wrong with certain life decisions or my thought process and being jealous of people all the time and some dark sides of me that I never confronted and some existential crisis of purpose in the world and all that stuff. Through quarantine, the biggest life lesson I have learned is to slow down and be reflective with my mistakes and what I've learned. Work hard with a purposeful method for the results. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Stay positive. I know it's cheesy for positivity, but I know it works. See you guys next time.